Hello and welcome to Someka Employee Database Template. This tool mainly helps you to keep and track your HR data with flexible features. Our template is constructed by 4 parts. These are the navigation menu, the settings, the database, and the 3 outputs, which are the dynamic list, employee form, and lastly, the dashboard. Now, it's time to start with the settings. There are 2 sections on the settings sheet. One is for drop-down options, and second is for structural settings. On the structural settings, you may select the date format you want, and you may input your date input headings. You may also change the currency and print and heading options for your outputs. Now, we can carry on with the database sheet. This is the input section of the template. You may keep all the info about your employee here. You have the job details, personal details, contact details, salary details, termination details, and other info. If you need extra columns, you may insert new columns, or you may just change the headings on the right side of your table. If you add a new column with date formatting, please do not forget to add this to the settings section. When you hire a new employee, just input the relevant info. If an employee leaves the company, just input the termination details. Now it's time to generate outputs from our database. Let's look at the dynamic list first. You may need various lists for any needs throughout the company. This section helps you to produce your own list just in seconds. There are 4 filters. Just select which filters you want and then determine your filter options. These are all dynamic. Your list headings are also flexible too. Select any heading you want from the drop-down lists. Let's give an example. We assume you need a list of all your active women and married employees. This is very easy with this tool. You may also print out your lists. If you don't want to see your filtering section on your printouts, just go to the settings and change your print option for the list. Print without filters. That's all. Now, let's look at our other outputs. Employee form. This sheet lets you to produce dynamic forms for each of your employees. You may adjust both main headings and also the subheadings. These are all dynamic. Let's clean our table and produce a new one. You can select the employee from the drop-down menu and take a printout. You may also search by employee ID, employee name, or both. Just go to the settings and select your heading option for the form, for example, employee ID. And now you can search by employee IDs. Now it's time to go for dashboard. You can track various data included but not limited to headcount, job status, education breakdown, current salary total, and etc. with all professional charts. There are 4 filters above. With the help of these filters, you may just narrow your analysis. Besides, you may track your hiring and leaving metrics with a year filter just at the bottom of your dashboard. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.